Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of February 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.53. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced a loss of 51.80%. This results in an average loss of 1.62% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 35.08% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 35.08% to 14.74%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 17.02%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 88.54% to 193.63% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $73.34 and $114.22. Our latest daily update for TQQQ features the headline, High Volatility in TQQQ ETF Price on Tuesday, which concluded trading at $38.90. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 5.7% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, dropping from $41.25 to $38.90. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 26.17%, reaching a low of $37.10 and a high of $46.81. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 42.21% over this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the ETF's price, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 145 million shares, with a total of 245 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price recorded was $35. Currently, the price is 58.52%, or $54.89, below the 52-week high, and 76.10%, or $123.89, below the all-time high of January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. The recent market sentiment surrounding the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ or TQQQ highlights a potential shift in its trajectory. Strategists at JP Morgan are optimistic, suggesting that inflows into United States equity exchange-traded funds could signify the near end of the current market correction, which may buoy TQQQ's performance in the short term. As of mid-March, many are speculating about a possible rebound, which could drive prices upward if this sentiment materializes into stronger market action. Technical analyses have also indicated that the Nasdaq is poised for a breakout, further reinforcing TQQQ's attractiveness as a leveraged investment option. However, investors should remain cautious. The combination of high valuation risks, reflected in recent downgrades of the fund, suggests that while TQQQ can deliver substantial rewards during a market upswing, it also carries heightened risks, particularly in volatile environments. With TQQQ celebrating its 15th anniversary and housing over $25 billion in assets, the fund is undeniably significant in the leveraged exchange-traded fund landscape. Yet, while its historical returns outperform the Nasdaq 100, ongoing market oscillations and a potential rotation out of technology stocks could dampen its immediate prospects. In summary, In the short term, TQQQ could experience a rebound if the current market recovery gains traction. However, for long-term investors, caution is warranted due to underlying valuation risks and volatility. This duality in outlook will be critical for stakeholders to navigate as they consider their positions in this popular leveraged exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The TQQQ Exchange-Traded Fund, or ETF, is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $49.63 and $64.68. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 56.98%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the exchange-traded fund may perform quite poorly in the coming days. This ETF may experience significant fluctuations during the day, with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $9.71 between its high and low, which equates to 26.17%. For the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 18.09%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $41.09. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to manage such situations. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and a stop loss has not been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect TQQQ to open higher by $2.04, starting at $40.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.